Boys, we got a fun day today. So it's kind of like a day in the life kind of video. Like, yeah, I know the title of this video is like bag Mazdaspeed 3 like gets new parts. We're gonna get there. We're gonna go grab food. We're gonna head back home, give the car a proper wash because it got hit with rain. We're gonna stop by Jose's house, see what's going on. But you know, this is the third video in the row that I'm showing you guys different cars other than mine. You guys seem to be like really liking that shit, so you know, I'm listening to the people. I'm gonna deliver. But I'm freaking starving right now, guys. Let's get to McDonald's. We have arrived. And there's like this loud FRS right in front of me. Hey.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Can I pay for my shit?
Yeah, hold on.
Okay. Well, I'll see you soon.
Okay.
Okay. Say bye to the people.
Bye, people.
Okay, love you more.
Love you more.
Guys, I will say this once and I will say it again. If you have not tried McDonald's nuggets with honey, you are seriously missing out. I know some people don't like honey. I don't like honey personally either, but man, I don't know what it is. When you have it with the nuggets, it just hits different, man. So right now, I'm just eating right now. Enjoy my nice unhealthy McDonald's meal and head home. And we are home. Let's give the Speed a quick wash and then we'll head out. Sorry?
You're gonna buy my seat. I used to have old ride Zeta.
Oh yeah?
I want to spend money on this.
Right now?
I was gonna do anything, it would be TEs with slants. That's
Yeah? They look good lower.
especially on TEs.
Yeah.
I want to get the Tom's mid spoiler that goes like.
No, I like the small one though. Okay, so we have arrived at Jose's house, and yes, my car is pretty clean. Yo, Master Mechanic, what's going on, brother?
Buddy, big turbo day.
So tell the people what's going on with your car today. They never see you work on your own car.
Oh, I know. I'm always fixing other people's cars.
Yeah, exactly.
So here's a little KO4.
How did it look though?
Overall it's not bad. Like I haven't had any issues with this. No smoking, no oil consumption, zero. So this was gonna be a spare, but I got the new corksport CST4, which you can.
All right, let's see this shit. Let's see this shit.
Damn!
Brand new.
Yeah, man. So
Damn.
installing that. It's got
It's the first time I've ever seen your car in pieces.
You can see all the wire tucking process now. How many wires I got going into the battery box for my air ride, freaking headlights and everything. Oh yeah. So the new turbo's going in. Got a custom oil drain line going in as well. I think it's Yarbrough off of Facebook. I can't remember the guy's name.
Did you do like the map sensor and all that shit too? Like the boost controller?
A Bosch 3-bar map sensor going in.
Yo, what are you doing with the ECU by the way?
So thing is I'm actually running a bigger battery for my car. It's the Group 26F, which is the upgraded, but 24F, I'm sorry, which is the bigger battery. So I had to actually buy a smaller battery.
Oh yeah, you were telling me that.
Which is the stock 35.
So
we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try and tuck it the way that you tried to do it on your car.
Oh, okay.
But
so you're gonna cut the threads and shit? Oh, you may have to, man.
I may have to, yeah. Fit in a battery box. So I'm
you
gonna figure something out. If not, I'm gonna go with an even smaller battery, but I don't want to go that route. So yeah, 3-bar map sensor, the corksport boost control solenoid.
Are you doing the same thing that I did with the boost controller? Like where we mounted it on that one thing?
I'm gonna tuck it.
Oh, you're just gonna tuck it?
Yeah, I'm gonna tuck it all.
Oh shit.
So you don't see it.
Oh. Yeah, guys. Won't be able to show you the end result 'cause I'm heading out soon. Just stopping by picking up something, but Yeah, so I'm using his car as clickbait. No, well, not clickbait, but you know. All right, man. Well, have fun.
I'll let you know. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah. Are you gonna rip it on the base? Well, you have to.
Yeah,
To get the logs.
Third year from 2,500 to 6,500 or something.
Yeah, he always does that. And then the second year one, and then the idling one.
But he wants one. So he's like, I want one log with key on, engine off, and then you start the engine for 5 to 10 seconds.
Yeah.
So is that like as soon as I put like is that as soon as
Well,
I do the
for
first
me,
startup?
I just let it idle for like 10 seconds. I just send it to him.
Yeah, no, he wants that, but the first one that he wants.
Oh, so he wants another one.
Key on, engine
Oh,
off.
I've
and then
never
you
done
start
that.
the engine. So I don't know why. I don't know.
That's
why he
weird.
wants that, but
How you gonna log it if the car's off?
I don't know. That's why I said key on. So maybe once your key goes on, your access port turns on, then you're able to log it.
Mm.
But nothing's active, right? So I don't know why, but that's one of the things he wants. Then it'll be some data logging, call for revisions, and she'll.
Yeah, she's gonna be ripping, man.
She'll be ripping, man.
Saying I need a bigger turbo too, eh?
Yeah, what are you waiting for?
I'm waiting for a deal. What do you mean?
You
Yeah.
can get a CST4 pretty cheap, man. I think like $800-900.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah,
Time will tell, man. Time will tell.
that's right.
But anyways, man. All right. Well, let me know.
Sounds good.
Later, bro.
See ya.
Got like a nice little Evo right ahead of us. I honestly don't even know where it is. I'm just following these guys, to be honest. I just rolled in by myself. I'm guessing we just go farther down. Speed 3. Okay.
Pikachu!
You guys see the cars? You guys see the cars? I don't even know where to park. Jesus, there's so many cars. I don't know. I don't know where to park. I don't know where to park, guys. There's so many cars. Look at this ugly ass Speed 3. Guys, is Miata the answer?
If anybody questions it, just say I'm pregnant. Why are you recording now?
So what are we doing right now?
We're at the drive-in watching.
They don't know what that is.
Oh.
So basically there's like this drive-in movie place where like you bring your car and you watch a movie, like you play it on. It's like a ghetto thing.
Why don't
too.
you show them?
Yeah, hold on. So essentially, it's like pretty ghetto. It's like from like the old days. It's something probably my mom and dad did, but you basically put it onto a radio station. We're actually watching Fast and Furious 9, and it's raining.
I think it's just called F9.
Yeah, F9. I hope my car doesn't die. It should be, well, knock on wood, should be fine. Yeah. I have a couple friends here. They're like all over the place. We got here late, so we're kind of we got a pretty good view, but it could be better, but whatever. Dude, look how many people are here.
There was actually spots where they were parked, but the guy
was being a dick.
Was
the guy was
"You
being a
guys
dick.
can't park together.
Yeah, he was being a dick, whatever.
So it's not my fault.
So yeah, you wanna watch the movie? So what'd you think of the movie?
Can't really give an honest review.
Dude, look at it. It's been raining. Like, look at, this is our view.
Not dead. Should I stop recording?
So yeah, I don't know. If I were to rate the movie, I'd probably give it like a 5 out of 10.
But we'd have to watch it again.
I'd have to watch it again, but I feel like I'd
review.
probably give it like a 6 out of 10 if I were to watch it properly. It's like impossible to watch it.
Yeah.
Check my battery voltage. Oh, dude, we're good. That's really good.